Hey guys, Colin McLeod here with the StockMarketBasics.com, and here we are with our daily intraday stock picks for January 10th, 2014. Starting off the longs on our list for today, the first long is AET. This is in the healthcare provider sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this one as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a solid uptrend. The stock topped out in September and held below the 70 mark for several months. And yesterday the stock broke out to the upside and surged higher on strong volume, closing strongly. We'll see if this stock can have any more fall through to the upside as the market opens today, and if it does surge past $72 a share, we'll consider it as an intraday long trade with a price target of $72.91. Here's a daily chart of AET. Next up we've got BKS. This is in the special retail sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this one as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock had a big drop in December but held up above the previous low. Since then the stock has been consolidating, and yesterday the stock broke out on heavy volume, closing near the highs. We'll see if this stock is able to put in another leg up as the market opens today, and if it does jump past $15.80 a share, we plan to go long on it with an intraday price target of $16.20. Here's a daily chart of BKS. Long number 3 on the list for today is HFC. This is in the energy sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock has been struggling to make it back to the highs from earlier in 2013. Since making a higher low in October, the direction has been up. The stock topped out in early December and has been consolidating since, and yesterday the stock moved up towards the highs of the consolidation range and closed strongly. We'll see if buyers are willing to push this stock past that range as the market opens today, and if it does bump past $50.50 a share, we plan to go long on it with an intraday price target of $51.40. Here's a daily chart of HFC. Next up we've got ISIS. This is in the biotech sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now we like this biotech company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a solid uptrend. 2 days ago the stock surged up to the previous highs on heavy volume, and yesterday the stock followed through to the upside, breaking into new high territory with a strong move up on increased volume. We'll see if this stock is able to maintain the move to the upside as the market opens today, and if it does move past $46.60 a share, we'll consider it as a long with an intraday price target of $47.80. Here's the daily chart of ISIS. Long number 5 on the list for today is MDLZ. This is in the food products sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now we like this food company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in an uptrend. Since November the stock has traded in a tight range with a series of lower highs. The most recent pullback barely moved off of the highs, and yesterday the stock powered back up towards the top of the recent trading range of increased volume, closing strongly. We'll see if this stock can make another breakout as the market opens today, and if it does rise past $35.50 a share, we'll consider it as an intraday long trade with a price target of $36.38. Here's a daily chart of MDLZ. Next up we've got MNKD. This is another company in the biotech sector and trades on the NASDAQ. Now we like Mankind as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock made a huge move up earlier in 2013. Since topping out in August, the stock has pulled back significantly. 2 days ago the stock moved up and closed strongly, and yesterday the stock rocketed higher on extreme heavy volume, closing in the upper portion of its daily range. We'll see if this stock can keep its momentum of the upside going as the market opens today, and if it does bump past $7.30 a share, we will consider it as a long with an intraday price target of $7.90. Here's a daily chart of Mankind. Long number 7 on the list for today is RDN. This is in the mortgage finance sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this finance company as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock made a strong move up early in 2013 and has been consolidating for several months. During this consolidation, the lows have been significantly higher. 2 days ago, the stock had a big move to the upside, and yesterday the stock followed through, closing within pennies of making a new 52-week high. We'll see if there are any buyers willing to push this stock up to that new high, and if it does go past $15.20 a share, we will be considering it as an intraday long trade with the price target of $15.60 a share. Here's the daily chart of RDN. Last but not least, we've got STI. This is in the banking sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now, we like this bank as a long for today for the following reasons. The stock is in a strong uptrend. The stock made a high just under $37 in November and pulled back. In December, the stock traded back up to the highs and consolidated. The stock was trying to move higher over the past few sessions on increasing volume, and yesterday the stock was able to break out to the upside, indicating that the selling in the $37 area may be over. We'll see if this stock can have another nice day as the market opens today, and if it does manage to get past $38.16 a share, we plan to go long on it with an intraday price target of $38.50. Here's a daily chart of STI. Once again, my name is Colin McLeod from the StockMarketBasics.com. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for future updates, as well as signing up for our Freedom 35 membership program.